Hi everyone, it's Salvatore Vincenzanino. I'm so happy to be here at the Ganti Palazzo. Special thanks to Terrio for putting together such a wonderful screening of The Genius of Gianni Versace Alive here in Milano during Milan Fashion Week.
I'm Gianni Versace, I'm the director of Emerging Talents Milan, and I'm very honored that I met Vincent and we had the chance to have this special event, the private preview of The Genius of Gianni Versace Alive.
Special thanks to everyone here at the Emerging Talent of Milano, to Terrio and Giulia Brunello for bringing this all together. I'm so very honored to be here with one of the original artists, with, was it Mario Testino?
Yes.
With Mario Testino for the Gianni Versace campaign with Madonna Ciccone. And tell me a little bit about that experience doing the makeup for Madonna Ciccone and for Donatella Versace.
So, big emotion because I was very young when I started, and when I have the opportunity to work for Donatella and for Versace.
I would have never had a great time if it wasn't for Terrio and Giulia Brunello bringing us all together, this amazing makeup artist who groomed Donatella and Madonna. I would have never met unless I came here, so
Exactly.
mille grazie. I'm so honored to be here with Platfo, who's the artist who created the artwork that you see in the foyer of the Ganti Palazzo. In addition to that, I have the producer Brian Abrams, who was the dearest friend of Gianni Versace and Santo Versace alive. Brian Abrams. Christian, thank you so much for going on this journey.
Well, it's my pleasure. Thank you so much for having me. It's been such a great experience working on this film. It was very hard to choose between all that footage, you know, because there was so much to choose from, and we had to select things that have not been seen before.
And in some ways to encapsulate the entire work of Gianni Versace, which is very difficult because his work spans so many decades. And special thanks to Christian Filipella.
We are not finished. We have decided to create the Palazzo Visconti Award that will be given every September. The next season will be dedicated to Maria Calla's 100th anniversary. And our first Palazzo Visconti Award goes to Salvatore Vincenzanino.